Hello everyone, welcome to my videos about OpenRoberta. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw a square without a repeat loop. It's for beginners, let's say. So I'm going to see if I'm logged in. It's very important to be logged in, and so you can save your work. And now I'm going to choose a scene here to draw my square. This should do it. And so I'm going to throw this to the trash bin, and we're going to start from the beginning. Since I want my robot to move, I'm going here to the action blocks and choose drive forward. I can choose the speed, it's in percentage, so I'm going to use 100, and the distance maybe 60. Let's see what this does. Well, I'm going to reset the position like this, and now my robot is moving forward. To draw a square, I need the robot to turn. He should turn right. The angle is 90 degrees, and the speed I'm going for 50. So now my robot does this, draws a line and turns 90 degrees more or less. I could go here and repeat everything, but I'm going to do differently. I have the values already right, so I'm going to duplicate the blocks and put them in order. So now I should have two sides of the square. And I add two more sides. So one side, two sides, 3 and 4. That should be it. Let's see the result. As you can see, the angles are not 90 degrees exactly. They differ a bit, but this is the idea. I have my square, and I'm going to save my program. I'm going to save, or save as. It's I already have given a name. If you want to give him a different name, square 1. Okay,